Shubham Charitable Association was established in 1998 under the leadership of Pushpa Bajaj in Meghalaya. Under her guidance, we have continuously strived to bring about change in society, especially empowering rural women. Our organization has contributed significantly to the economic, social, and personal development of over 25,000 women across various blocks in Meghalaya. We have provided free skill development training to over 16,000 women and connected them with employment opportunities. We are also actively working toward environmental conservation as part of our mission. Our flagship product, Fresh Pads, is a reusable cloth sanitary pad that can be used for up to 3 years. Typically, a woman disposes of around 500 single-use pads in 3 years, which generate harmful waste for the environment and cost approximately 2,500 rupees. In contrast, our Fresh Pads require only 4 pads for 3 years, costing just around 250 rupees to 300 rupees. This is not only economically beneficial but also a sustainable option for protecting the environment. Inspired by Padma Shri Kong Patricia Mukhim, a strong journalist and an environmentalist who initiated the Operation Cleanup, we developed this product. With her guidance and unwavering support, we are passionately advancing this initiative. We extend our heartfelt thanks to the Raj Bhavan of Meghalaya and the Honorable Chief Minister for their continued encouragement and support in achieving our mission. We also appreciate the collaboration of Martin Luther University, which has supported us on various occasions. As part of our pilot project, these reusable sanitary, fresh pads were used by over 5,000 schoolgirls from 20 states across India. Their positive feedback helped us improve the product further. Today, our pads are certified by the Bureau of Indian Standards, BIS, ensuring their quality and reliability. Our reusable, fresh pads stand apart from competitors like Sathi Pads, EcoFem, and PSafe due to their unique approach. We focus on promoting reusable cloth sanitary pads as an alternative to single-use ones. We firmly believe these pads are not only environmentally better but also play a significant role in empowering women. Our primary goal is to provide employment to 1,000 women and make Meghalaya free of menstrual waste. We envision women not just manufacturing reusable, fresh pads, but also becoming distributors. This would enable them to achieve financial independence and smart savings, as well as contribute to the environment. We aim for active participation from every woman in this movement, whether as a producer, distributor, or consumer. This is a collective responsibility, and only by coming together can we make this movement successful. This is not just a product but an ideology working towards empowering society as a whole. Through word of mouth, social media, NGOs, schools, and community-based awareness programs, we aim to reach urban women and actively involve more women in this empowerment journey. We are confident that when women become part of this movement, it will not only transform their lives but also create a positive impact on society as a whole. Our distribution model is based on direct sales and bulk orders from NGOs. In 2025, we aim to produce 100,000 pads, which will generate an additional 1 million rupees of income for rural women at 10 rupees per pad. In the second year, we plan to produce 1 million pads and eventually reach 2 million pads in the next 3 years. This initiative will provide cleanliness and financial savings to 5 lakh women in Meghalaya and create employment opportunities for 1,000 women. Additionally, it will help reduce 25 crore single-use sanitary pads, equivalent to 25,000 kilograms of menstrual waste, from Meghalaya, making a significant contribution to environmental sustainability. Our team includes a founder with experience in social entrepreneurship, a production manager, and a dedicated community and marketing team implementing effective strategies. So far, 30 women are already engaged in our production process. We hope for your collaboration in realizing this social change to empower the women of Meghalaya and take a firm step toward a sustainable, self-reliant, and environmentally conscious society. This is not just a replacement for sanitary pads but a holistic solution promoting hygiene, environmental conservation, and self-reliance. When every woman and man steps forward to adopt this change, we will lay the foundation for a better, cleaner, healthier, and more prosperous society where every woman has access to hygiene, dignity, and financial empowerment. Let us come together, advance this initiative, and take a step toward a brighter beginning. Thank you.